of x. Let's start by doing this. That is x plus 1 equal to 5 square. Now write the 5 square. You can write it as 5 times of 5. 5 times of 5 is 25. So this is going to become 25, that is x plus 1. And this plus 1, move this side, it's going to become minus 1. So x equal to 25 minus 1, this is 24. So the value of x is 24. Let's find out another one value. X plus 8 square equal to 7 square. Now you need to find out the value of x also, here also x. Write this x like that itself. 8 square, you can write it as 8 times of 8, that is 64. So this becomes 8 square become 64, and 7 square, 7 times of 7, which becomes 49. So right here 49, and send the 64 this side, plus 64 becomes minus 64. So it is 49 minus 64. You're going to get x as equal to this one 14 15. Let's take another one equation, that is x plus 2 equal to 2x plus 1. Now you need to find out the same x. This time send this x that side, it's going to become minus x. So this 2 equal to 2x plus 1 minus x. 2x minus x becomes just single x, and this one remains. This one if comes this side, it becomes minus 1. 2 minus 1 equal to x, so 1 equal to x. So the x value is 1. Let's take one more equation. In the same way, you're going to get another one, that is x plus 2 square equal to 3 square. Now you can split and write them. Here let's split this. 2 square means 2 times of 2, which is 4. So this is x plus 4 equal to 3 square, that is 3 times of 3, which becomes 9. So this is equal to 9, and send this 4 this side, it becomes minus 4. So x equal to 9 minus 4, and you're going to get x equal to 5. Let's take this one, another problem. In this problem you're going to get like this, that is here you're going to get x plus 2 square plus 1 square, which is equal to 5 square. Now also you can find out the value of x. Let's split and write that. 1 square means 1 times of 1, which is 1, and 2 square means 2 times of 2, which is 4. So this becomes x plus 4 plus 1 equal to this one 5 square, which is 5 times of 5, which is 25. You're going to get here at us 25. 4 plus 1 is 5. So x plus 5 equal to 25. Send this 5 this side, it becomes minus 5. So x equal to 25 minus 5. X equal to 20. Let's start by another problems. That is after these problems, take here. Here I going to tell how to find out y. Y also same way. Y equal to they have given 1 square plus 2 square plus 5 square. Now sum them all out. 1 square means 1 times of 1, which becomes 1. 2 square means 2 times of 2, which becomes 4. And 5 square means 5 times of 5, which is 25. So this all things you're going to get as equal to y equal to 1 plus 2 square is 4 plus 5 square is 25. When you add that, 1 plus 4 is 5, 5 plus 25 is 30, and you're going to get y equal to 30. Let's find out x and y together. X equal to 2, y equal to x plus 5. That means x they have given us 2, So write in terms of x2, 2 plus 5, that is y. So 2 plus 5 is 7, y equal to 7. Let's take one more. Here they have given x equal to 1 plus 2x, and you need to find out y equal to 2x minus 1. First, let's find out the value of x. That you can find it out. X equal to 1 plus 2x, 1 plus 2x. Send this one this side, it becomes minus 1. X minus 1 equal to 2x, and this x send that side, it becomes minus x. Minus 1 equal to 2x minus x. Minus 1 equal to minus x. Both side has minus, so cancel the minus. X equal to 1. Let's find out y they have given us 2x minus 1. That you can do it out. 2x minus 1, that is 2 times of x is 1, 1 minus 1. 2 times of 1 is 2, 2 minus 1. So this is 1. Y equal to 1 and x also equal to 1. Let's find out another equation. Here in this equation, they have given z equal to x plus y. They have given x plus 2 equal to 5 and y minus 2 equal to 10. You need to first find out what's x, what's y, and then you can find out the value of z. Here you can do that one. That is, let's take this equation and first take this part. That is x plus 2 equal to 5. X plus 2 equal to 5. Send this to that side, it becomes x equal to 5 minus 2, x equal to 3. And take this equation, that is y minus 2 equal to 10. Send this minus to that side, it becomes plus 2. Now you can do this problem by taking in the same way. That is, after sending that, you're going to get here 10 plus 2 equal to 12. So this y value is 12 and x value is 3. So take that equation z equal to x plus y. You're going to get x as 3 and y as 12. 12 plus 3 is 15. You're going to get z equal to 15. Now let's take here equations. That is x plus y plus z equal to 1. Now they have even given x equal to 1 square plus 2 square minus 3. Now y equal to also they have given equal to 2x plus 3. After finding x, you can find out y, and after finding those two, you can use and find out z. You can find out all three values. Let's take this x. X you can write here, that is x equal to 1 square plus 2 square minus 3. 1 square means 1 times of 1 is 1, so it becomes 1. And 2 square means 2 times of 2, which is 4, so this is 4. Minus 3. 1 plus 4 is 5. 5 minus 3, which is 2. So 2 is the value of x value is 2. Let's find out y value. Y equal to 2x plus 3. They have given x as 3. So you're going to get 2 times of 3 plus 3. 2 times of 3 is 6. 6 plus 3. 6 plus 3 is 9. So this one is y equal to 9. And now you can find out the value of z. That is x plus y plus z equal to 1. Now x value is 2, y value is 9, and z value, z remains like this, which is equal to 1. 2 plus 9 is 11. 11 plus z equal to 1. Send that 11 that side, it becomes minus 11. Z equal to 1 minus 11. So z equal to minus 10. Now let's start by doing another problem. That is x equal to y minus 2. They have given one equation. another equation, y equal to x plus 5. Now we need to find out what's the value of x and y, that is 2x plus 5, this equation. Now we need to find out what's the value of x and y. Let's start by taking one equation. Here they have given x value in y minus 2. Here also plug x equal to y minus 2. You're going to get y equal to 2 times of y minus 2, and you're going to get plus 5. This one, y equal to 2 times of y is 2y, minus 2 times of 2 is 4, minus 4 plus 5. This is going to become y equal to 2y minus 4 plus 5 is plus 1, and send this plus 1 that side, and it's going to become y minus 1 equal to 2y, and send this y this side, it's going to become minus 1 equal to 2y minus y. Now you can write this completely like this, that is minus 1 equal to y. Now we find out that y value is minus 1. Let's find out x value. X equal to y minus 2, and you're going to get y value as minus 1, so it is minus 1 minus 2. Minus 1 minus 2, when you add, you're going to get it as minus 3. So x value is minus 3. Let's simplify a simple equation, that is x plus 8 equal to 5 square. Now you need to find out 5 square. 5 times of 5, which is equal to 25. So this one going to become x plus 8 equal to 25. Now send this 8 this side, it going to become minus 8. Now you going to get x plus x equal to 25 minus 8. X equal to 25 minus 8 is 17. So x equal to 17. Let's solve more smaller equations, and I start by this one. Here they have given like this, that is x plus 1 equal to 11 square. Now you can do in the same way. X plus 1 equal to 11 square means 11 times of 11, that is 121. So this becomes 121. This one comes that side, becomes minus 1, that is 121 minus 1. Now x equal to 120. Let's take even more equation, that is 2x plus 3 equal to 5. Now you send this 3 that side, it becomes minus 3. 2x equal to 5 minus 3. So that 2x equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. Now you can write this 2x as nothing but 2 times of x. So this 2 comes here, it comes in the denominator. X equal to 2 by 2. You can divide 2 1 times, 2 1 times. X equal to 1. Now let's take one more equation. Here x plus 8 equal to 10 square. 10 square, you can write it as 10 times of 10. This 10 times of 10 is 100. So here you're going to get x plus 8 equal to 100. Now send this 8 this side, it's going to become minus 8. So this one is x equal to 100 minus 8. So x equal to 92. Let's take this one, and you're going to get like this, that is x plus 2 equal to 5 square. Now find out the value of 5. 5 times of 5, which is 5 square, it's going to become 25. So this x plus 2 equal to 25. Send this to that side, x equal to 25 minus 2, x equal to 23. Let's find out y value, that is y minus 3 equal to 3y plus 8. Now you need to find out, send this plus 8 to left side, it becomes minus 8. Y minus 3 minus 8 equal to 3y. This minus 3 minus 8 becomes minus 11, and this plus y, if you send this side, becomes minus y. 3y minus y minus 11 equal to 2y. Now this 2 can be written as 2 times of y. From numerator it comes to denominator. Minus 11 by 2 equal to y, that is fraction of y. And let's find out even more value, that is z. Z square plus 1 equal to 8. Now find out what's the z value. Z square remain here, plus 1, if you send that side it becomes minus 1. 8 minus 1, so z square equal to 7. Now this square when goes that side becomes root, so z becomes equal to root 7. That is the value of z. Let's take one more values, that is x plus y plus z, which is equal to 1. Now they have given x equal to 8 square plus 9 square and y equal to 3x plus 1. You need to find out first the value of x, then by using that value of y, then you can find out the value of z. Let's find this one out, that is x value. That x value you can find it out as x equal to 8 square plus 9 square. 8 square means 8 times of 8, which is 64. So this is going to become 64 plus 9 square means 9 times of 9, which becomes 81. So this is 81. 81 plus 64 becomes 145. That is the value of x, which is 145. Now let's find out the y value, 3x plus 1. Y equal to 3x plus 1, that is 145. So 3 times of 145 plus 1. 3 times of 145 is, that is 450 minus 15, which is going to become 435. So it is 435 plus 1. 435 plus 1 is 436. So this is equal to 436. Now let's find out what's the z value. That is, take here x plus y plus z equal to 1. Here we find out the value of x as 145. So write here x as 145 plus y value is 436. So write here 436 plus z equal to 1. Now add them out, 145 plus 436, it becomes 581. 581 plus z equal to 1. This 581 send that side becomes 1 minus 581. This is going to give z equal to minus 580. That's the value of z. Let's take more problems. X plus y equal to 8 and x minus y equal to 2. Find out both x and y. That you can do it out. Add these two equations. When you add, plus x becomes 2x and plus y minus y cancels out completely. You're going to get nothing, which is equal to 8 plus 2, which is 10. 2x equal to 10. So when this cancels out, 2x equal to 10, 2x can be written as 2 times of x. 2 comes here, it comes in denominator. X equal to 10 by 2. Now you can divide 2 1 times, 2 5 times 10. So x value is equal to 5. Let's find out the value of y, that is x plus y equal to 8. Now x value is 5, put x equal to 5. 5 plus y equal to 8. Now send this 5 this side, y becomes equal to 8 minus 5. So y value is equal to 3. Let's take one more equation. Here I tell about y square. Y square equal to 3 square plus 5 square plus 7 square. Now you can do it out. 3 square means 3 times of 3, which is 9. So y square equal to 9 plus this 5 square means 5 times of 5, which is 25. put here 25. Now 7 square means 7 times of 7, which is 49, so put here 49. When you add them, 9 plus 25 is 36, 34, and 34 plus 49, which give 83. So this y square equal to 83. When square comes that side, it becomes root. Y equal to root of 83. I start one more equation, that is by this thing. Two equations. The two equations are the same, x, y and z. X plus 3y equal to 1 and x minus y equal to 5. Here to do this, let's take this equation, second equation, that is send this minus 5 that side, x becomes equal to 5 plus y, and this one you can plug this thing in this equation, that is x plus 3y equal to 1. Plug here to the value of x, that is 5 plus y. You're going to get x equal to 5 plus y plus 3y equal to 1. Now y plus 3y is 4y. So 5 plus 4y equal to 1. This 5 send that side, it becomes minus 5. 4y equal to 1 minus 5 and 4y equal to minus 4. This 4y you can write it as 4 times of y. 4 goes that side, it comes in denominator. So y becomes equal to minus 4 by 4. 4 1 times minus remain in front. So y equal to minus 1. Let's find out the x value, which is 5 plus y. X equal to here 5 plus y. Here they have given 5 plus y value is minus 1. So plus of minus 1. Plus of minus 1 means it is minus 1. 5 minus 1, which is 4. Let's take one more value, that is like this, x plus y plus z, which is equal to 10. X equal to 1 square plus 2 square and y equal to 1 cube plus 2 cube and z equal to 1 power of 4 plus 2 power of 4. Let's find each of those values and you're going to get those thing, x plus y plus z plus q equal to 10. You need to find q at last. Let's find what's the value of x. X equal to 1 square plus 2 square. 1 square means 1 times of 1, which is 1, plus 2 square means 2 times of 2, which is 4. So it is 1 plus 4, which becomes 5. That's the x value. And let's find y value. Y value is 1 cube plus 2 cube. 1 cube means 1 times of 1 times of 1. After multiplying, you get the final answer as 1. Plus 2 cube means you can write like this, 2 times of 2 times of 2. 2 times of 2 is 4. 4 times of 2 is 8. So this becomes 1 plus 8, that is equal to 9. And z value is 1 power of 4 plus 2 power of 4. That is 1 power of 4 plus 2 power of 4. When if you multiply even 4 times 1 times of 1, after all it becomes 1 itself. So it is 1 plus 2 power of 4 means 2 times of 2 times of 2 times of 2. 2 times of 2 is 4. 4 times of 2 8. 8 times of 2 16. It becomes 16. 1 plus 16 is 17. So this one z value equal to 17. Now let's find out the value of q. That going to be equal to like this, that is x plus y plus z plus q equal to 10. Plug all those values, 5 9 17. 5 plus 9 plus 17 plus q equal to 10. Now you can add that one. 5 plus 9 is 14. 14 plus 17, which going to become 31. 31 plus q equal to 10. Now send that 31 that side, it going to become q equal to 10 minus 31, that is q equal to minus 21. Let's find even more values. That is, take this one. That is x equal to 1 plus 1 square plus 1 cube. Now also same thing. 1 remains as 1. 1 square means 1 times of 1. That is also remains as 1. And 1 cube 1 times of 1 times of 1. After all, that also remains as 1. So 1 plus 1 becomes 3. That is x value. Let's take more equations. Y plus z. Y equal to 2 square minus z, and z equal to 5 square minus 3y. You need to do this equation. You can do that equation. Let's take the first equation. Y equal to 2 square minus z. Here you going to get 2 times of 2, that is 4. So y equal to 2 square, that is 4 minus z. This one you can take to plug in this equation, that is second equation. That is z equal to 5 square minus 3y. Here 4 minus z is given, so 5 square minus 3 times of 4 minus z. You're going to get here as 5 square minus 3 times of 4 is 12. Minus of minus becomes plus, 3 times of z is 3z, and 5 square is 5 times of 5, which is 25. You're going to get here 25 minus 12 plus 3z, which is equal to z. Here z remains. Now 25 minus 12, which is 13, z equal to 13 plus 3z. Now send that 13 this side, it becomes z minus 13 equal to 3z, and send this z this side, it becomes minus 13 equal to 3z minus z. Minus 13 equal to 2z. Now minus 13 is 2z. Let's continue this equation. Minus 13 equal to 2z. Now this can be written as 2 times of z. 2 comes here, it comes as minus 13 by 2 equal to z. That is the value of z. Let's find out the value of y, that is 4 minus z. So y you can write it as 4 minus z. Now you're going to get it as 4 minus z values minus 13 by 2. Now you're going to get minus of minus is plus, 4 plus 13 by 2. You're going to get in denominator 2. 2 times of 4 is 8. 8 plus 13. 8 plus 13 is 21. 21 by 2. That's the value of this one, y. Let's do some equations which are butterfly method addition. That is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 3. When you add them, you do it by butterfly. In denominator 2 times of 3, which becomes 6. And numerator 1 times of 3 is 3 plus 1 times of 2 is 2. 3 plus 2 becomes 5. 5 by 6. Let's do more of this butterfly equations. I did a lot of these equations. Here they have given 3 by 5 minus 2 by 7. Here also doing the same butterfly method. You're going to get denominator as 5 times of 7, which is 35, and numerator 3 times of 7 is 21 minus 2 times of 5 is 10. 21 minus 10, which is 11. 11 by 35. Now let's take one more equation, that is 1 by 2 plus 1 by 5. Now after doing butterfly, you're going to get like this. That is denominator is 2 times of 5 is 10, and 1 times of 5 is 5 plus 1 times of 2 is 2. 5 plus 2 is 7, so it becomes 7 by 10. Let's take one more equation. Here they have given 3 by 4 plus 1 by 5. Here also do the butterfly method. You're going to get denominator as 4 times of 5 is 20, 3 times of 5 is 15, plus 1 times of 4 is 4. 15 plus 4, which is 19 by 20. Let's take even one more equation. Here 1 by 5 plus 1 by 7. After doing this butterfly, you're going to get 5 times of 7, which is 35. 1 times of 7 is 7, and 1 times of 5 is 5. 7 plus 5, which becomes 12. 12 by 35. Let's take more equations of the same butterfly method, that is 1 by 9 plus 1 by 11. When you add that, you're going to get denominator 9 times of 11, 99. 1 times of 11 is 11, plus 1 times of 9, which is 9. 11 plus 9 is 20, 20 by 99. And take one more, that is 2 by 3 plus 3 by 4. After doing butterfly, you're going to get in denominator 3 times of 4 is 12, 2 times of 4 8, plus 3 times of 3 9. 8 plus 9 become 17, 17 by 12. Let's take this 1 by 2 plus 2 by 3. After doing butterfly method, you're going to get in the denominator 2 times of 3 6, 1 times of 3 3, and 2 times of 2, which is 4. 3 plus 4 is 7, and denominator 6. And they give even one more equation, 7 by 11 minus half. Here also take the butterfly method. In denominator you're going to get 11 times of 2 22, above 2 times of 7, which becomes 14, minus 1 times of 11 is 11. 14 minus 11 is 3, 3 by 22. Now do one more equations in different way, that is 3 by 5 minus 2 by 3. Here also do in the same way, take the butterfly. You're going to get in the denominator 5 times of 3 is 15, and 3 times of 3 is 9, minus 2 times of 5 is 10. 9 minus 10 is minus 1, minus 1 by 15. And take one more equations, that is half plus 1 by 4 plus 1 by 8. When there are three numbers instead of butterfly, you need to take out the LCM of them. That is LCM of all of them, or those two are multiplied by 8, so take 8 as common. And 2 times of 4 is 8, so multiply that 4 with 1 becomes 4, and divide this 8 by 4. 4 2 times is 8, so 2 times of 1 is 2, and divide this 8 1 times is 8, so 1 times of 1 is 1. 4 plus 2 is 6, 6 plus 1 is 7. It becomes 7 by 8. Let's take one more problems. Here they have given x equal to 1 square. This one 1 square plus 3 square plus 5 square. Now 1 square means 1 times of 1, which becomes 1. So this remains as 1. 3 square means 3 times of 3, which is 9. So this becomes 9, plus 5 square means 5 times of 5, which is 25. And you're going to get here plus 25. Now this 1 plus 9 is 10. 10 plus 25 is 35. You're going to get this x as equal to 35. Let's find out value of y by x. X equal to 10 square minus 1 square, and y equal to x square. Let's find out the value of x. X equal to 10 square minus 1 square. 10 square means 10 times of 10, which becomes 100. So this x equal to 100, minus 1 square means 1 times of 1, which is 1. So 100 minus 1. X equal to 100 minus 1 is 99. And y value is x square. So you can take this 99 and write it as 99 square. To do this, you can do it out easily. 99 can be written as 100 minus 1 whole square. It can be compared to a minus b whole square, which is equal to a square plus b square minus 2ab. So here also you can compare this. It becomes 100 square plus 1 square minus 2 times of 100 times of 1. Now you're going to get 100 square as 100 times of 100, which becomes 10,000. This becomes 10,000 plus 1 minus 200. This is equal to 9,801. That is value of y. This is value of x. Keep on doing more and more problems like this. Bye.